Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, this is a 1 2 3 thing, easy way how to make homemade mac and cheese. I'm gonna use 2 cups of pasta there, 2 cups of milk, lots of cheese of all different sort, 1 egg, a little bit of flour right there, and I'm gonna substitute the butter for coconut oil. I'm gonna add a little bit of paprika at the end and a little bit of parsley, and I have just a ounce of salt right there. I'm gonna use about 1 to 2 bottles of water. To my boiling water, I'm gonna add my salt. I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut oil, just a little bit for now, and then I'm gonna pour in my 2 cups of pasta. So there it is. You just want to make sure everything is separated. Stir it in. I'm gonna let this cook and then I'm gonna come right back. This is where I'm at. They're cooked but they're not soft. I don't want them to be soft because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strain off this water. Now I'm gonna add my 2 cups of milk. I'm gonna add my flour. I put a little bit of water in it. To this, I'm gonna add a little bit more coconut oil, about that. And I'm gonna add my cheese. I have a variety of cheese of all sort, and I'm gonna add it in. I froze my cheese, so it's gonna take a little bit of time to thaw out. So I'm just gonna mix some cheese in it and let it melt while it's finished cooking. It's gonna be cheesy and good. So there it is, guys. The cheese is melting. Ooh, so good. Okay, I'm gonna let this cook for a few more minutes and then I'm gonna come right back. Oh my, look at that goodness. The cheese is all melt and the macaroni or pasta, whatever you want to call it, it's all cooked. Now I'm gonna turn my stove off. And look at that goodness, guys. Now I'm gonna bake this for about 15 minutes. Over here I have my baking dish and I put some oil in it. I have 1 egg here, guys, and I'm just gonna mix it a little bit together and I'm gonna pour it in. I'm just gonna give it a quick mix. And now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pour it into my bowl. I want to pour half first. Oh, look at that, guys. Lots of cheese. Ooh, yeah. More shredded cheese, and I'm gonna pour some on that. It's frozen, so I can work with it better. And then I'm gonna pour the rest. I'm gonna put some more shredded cheese over it. Now I have some paprika and I'm going to use my fingers and I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit on top. Now the final thing, I'm gonna go in with some parsley, and I'm just gonna sprinkle some on top as well. I'm gonna pop this in the oven for 15 minutes and then I will show you the final result. We're gonna pop this macaroni out of the oven and we're gonna look at it together. Ooh, there it is. Oh my goodness. Quick 1, 2, 3 how to make homemade mac and cheese. I'm just gonna dish some out so you can see it, that I'm not lying. It's hot, guys, so I have to hold it. Ooh. Oh yes. Ooh, my. Look at that cheesy goodness, guys. Let me put a little bit more. Oh yes. Oh yes. And there you have it, guys. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more parsley on top. And look at that, guys. Look at the goodness. There you have it. Yummy, delicious, and nice. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love, guys, and be blessed. Bye, guys.